Hello everybody, welcome to Arm Candy. I hope you are all well and keeping okay. We have the most amazing piece of Christian Dior for you today. This is a vintage Christian Dior floral raffia bowling bag, and it's actually limited edition. It's by the John Galliano era of Dior, and it is so special. I'll come back and I'll show you the sizing of it. So as I said, it is a bowling bag. Here it is on me as a little bowling bag in the crook of my elbow, and I think it is just gorgeous. And you can also have it as a little top handles bag, and it just hangs oh so beautifully. This bag is just incredible and I just love it. It's a work of art. It is just stunning. I'll show you the features of it first. So you've got the double top handles in this amazing kind of limey green colour. It's just gorgeous. They're adjustable on either side, so you can adjust them to make them longer or shorter. You've got the top zip opening, so we'll open that for you now. And then inside you've got this big open space, and you've got a zipped pocket here. And what is really cool is you've got the limited edition code here. So it says there Dior limited edition. You can see the code 0047, and then underneath you've got the serial number, so you can see the date, made in Italy. And yeah, so I just think that's really cool and definitely something special about this bag. There's the pocket back here. So this is just such a special bag. It is just gorgeous. For all you 90s Dior lovers, this is something that you will go wild for. The condition of the bag is, the exterior is very good. It was so close to being excellent, but there is one little mark just here. I don't know if you can see, yeah, just there, and a tiny bit just there. And they are the only reason that this is not excellent. Everything else about this bag is excellent. The interior is excellent. The hardware is excellent. The studs on the bottom, I've never seen such gorgeous studs. They are in pristine condition. So that tiny little mark is the only reason it isn't excellent, and you can barely see it. This is just an absolute stunner. I think this is the most special piece of arm candy that I've seen since working here, and I see a lot of amazing stuff, but this is just something else. It is just stunning. So if you love this little vintage piece of Dior, take a look at it on our website. We'll put a link in the description below. But before you do that, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get alerts for when we post a new video. When we post a new video, it means there's some new arm candy online, and you'll be the first to know, so you can snap up your dream bag straight away. But when you go to the website, make sure that you subscribe to our newsletter. A little box will come up, or you can scroll down to the bottom of any page and you just put your email address in, and we will send you a code for 5% off your very first purchase at Arm Candy. Make sure you check your spam folder if it doesn't come through, because sometimes it ends up in the spam folder. So make sure you check that. But if you have any problems, you can always just let us know. We'll put a link to our Instagram as well below. It's at Arm Candy Bag Co. But yeah, make sure you go and check out this amazing piece of Dior, and yeah, let us know in the comments what you think to it.